Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss how many products can you showcase in a single row on your website. So as you can see, by default there are 3 products that are displayed in a single row. If you want to change that to 4, all we need to do is go into your settings, and in your settings go to user experience, and from your user's experience in the product layout to cart change it to 4. And if you do that, if I refresh, you'd see that rather than 3 photographs or 3 products, there are 4 products showing in a single thing. Now, the other thing you can do is change that to full width as well. For that, we need to go into shop settings, and in shop settings, what you can do is say all products full width. What happens then is when I refresh this, basically it occupies the entire screen rather than just occupying a box layout in your system. So there are times when you require such a thing, and for this is the setting. Thank you.